Recently, my daughter has been working on mastering her blends, and I wanted to share a fun learning game we came up with in order to help make this process more enjoyable and effective. Like any parent, I noticed that my daughter was having a little bit of challenge when it came to blends, so I started to take one of the games that I used in order to teach letter and sound recognition, and I revamped that game specifically for blends. To get started, I grabbed some baskets, and then I grabbed my blend flashcards, the ones that I offer in my online store and on Teachers Pay Teachers. Now, if you're in the Teaching by Design membership, then you do have these cards already in your library. Once I grabbed those cards, next I labeled each basket with the different L blends, you know, like BL, CL, and so on. The goal here was to see if my daughter could recognize the blend sounds by itself before even moving on to more complex activities. Okay, so for the first part of the game, I ended up asking her to identify the sound. It was a simple yet engaging way to test her blend recognition skills. It's always important to make sure the basics are strong before diving into more advanced activities. Now, once she was able to do this, I knew we were ready to go to the fun part. So during the fun part, I gave her words that started with the initial blend. She had to throw balls in the corresponding baskets. It was almost like a mini basketball game with an educational twist. Not only did this help reinforce the blend sounds, but it also made learning blends a very playful and interactive experience.
Look.
Yes. By the end of the game, I could see a significant improvement in my daughter's blend recognition. Glass.
I see it.
Oh my goodness. There you go. You used the backboard, huh? It's amazing how a simple game could turn a learning challenge into an exciting adventure. Now, if you are a parent or an educator, I highly recommend trying out creative ways to make learning fun. And if you're interested in the blend flashcards or any other educational resources or tools, I have them all in my online store and even in my TPT store. Just check out the links in the description. And if you want a complete step-by-step guide or just simply want an expert to hold your hand and teach you how to teach your young ones, then simply book a free discovery call with me so that we can determine your next personalized steps.